Hemiepiphysiodesis using a butterfly 8 plate, bone model presentation. Surgical instruments. The surgical set contains hinged 8 plates, which are also named butterfly 8 plates, with different sizes. Here you can see the 14 mm plate with 2 screw holes, 16 mm plate with 2 holes, and 16 mm plate with 4 holes. The standard technique requires application of locking non-threaded or PEG screws, but threaded locking screws are also available. On the left side, the plate holder is seen. It holds the drill sleeve when it is inserted to the plate. The set also contains a K-wire sleeve for exact central application of the wire through the screw hole. In addition to K-wires, cannulated drills, screwdriver, and a hammer, we also have a length measuring device to facilitate screw length decision. The screw extractor is specifically designed for extracting locking PEG screws. Step 1. Determining the epiphyseal line, or physis. In this presentation, we used a femur bone model and cut it to simulate a growing bone. We will apply a butterfly 8 plate to the medial distal femoral physis. The first step is determining the level of the physis under fluoroscopy. On AP view, with the help of a K-wire, the level of the physis and its medial border are found. Then, with the help of a power device, the K-wire is inserted to the middle of the physis from its medial border. The middle of the physis is found first by hand, confirmed under fluoroscopic lateral view and corrected if needed. A perfect lateral view of the distal femur should be seen on the fluoroscopy. When the posterior borders of both femoral condyles are superposing, a perfect lateral view is reached. On this view, the K-wire should be in the middle of the physeal line. As you see in the video, it is inserted in the middle of the physis on the medial side. This is the most important part for localizing the plate at exact position. Step 2. Applying the butterfly plate. For application of an 8 plate, the surgeon should always remember to pass only the deep fascia of the limb and avoid dissection or cut of the periosteum or the pericondylar ring against any unwanted permanent physeal arrest. The plate is inserted over the K-wire with the help of a plate holder and located over the physis gently without any compression. The plate should be in line with the femoral shaft. In uncertainty, turn the C-arm 90 degrees to confirm its position on lateral view. When the alignment of the plate is ideal, a K-wire sleeve is applied into the drill sleeve and a K-wire is inserted at desired angle. With the help of the hinges and the plate holder, you can change the shape of the plate for better anatomical fit or change the angle between the screws and the physeal line, depending on how fast you want the plate to be active for the correction. The K-wire is inserted until the middle of the bone width under fluoroscopy. When the position of the first K-wire is ideal, the length of the ideal screw is measured using the length measuring device. After determining the screw length, the holder and the K-wire sleeve are removed and another drill sleeve is applied to the other hole. With the help of the plate holder, the direction of the plate and the angle of the sleeve are corrected. Then, a K-wire sleeve is applied again and a K-wire is inserted at desired angle. The position of the K-wire is confirmed under fluoroscopy. The ideal length of the screw is measured and then the K-wire sleeve and the holder are removed. Step 3. Inserting the PEG screws. A 3.2 mm drill is inserted over the K-wire and only the outer cortex is drilled, not whole length of the wire. Meanwhile, the K-wire should be kept in place. Then, drilling is done through the other screw hole. Again, only the outer cortex is passed and the K-wire is kept in position. After drilling is finished, sleeves are removed and proper size PEG screws are applied. The PEG screws are applied using a hammer until the locking head reaches the plate. Then the other screw is applied through the other hole. Finally, the screw heads are locked to the plate. After removing the K-wires, the position of the plate is checked for the last time and its ideal position is confirmed. On fluoroscopic lateral view, the plate should be localized in the middle of the physis. In this video demonstration, you can notice that the plate holds the physis very well. In this view from the medial side, you can see that the plate is in line with the axis of the femur and located in the middle of the physis. After implanting the plate, it is very important to repair the deep fascia. But after repairing the fascia, the surgeon should check for free flexion of the knee against any too tight suturing, which may limit knee flexion and may cause very much pain and limitation in movements after surgery. Full range of motion exercises are begun immediately after the operation day, and the child is allowed to go back to his daily life.